Hi everyone, Podez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you wanna watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day till I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. I took out this less liquidity of this move down. Took out H4, but it wasn't enough to break this high. So we went all the way up, took this less liquidity, which is daily, trigger formation, tap this POI, and now give a reaction. This would be the H4. Maybe price can stop here. So for now, H1 is bearish. Yeah, I think I'll try to short here still. There's kind of this POI, just buy to sell. Only the 50% is open though. This was the M5. We came to the extreme, maybe here. Check out this M5. There is this just buy to sell, which is better. I like this rejection. I'll try to do this short again. Maybe price will come up there. Let's see. Or maybe it will break everything. M5 was efficient here. There was no way to long there. 1, 2. Came back, but no manipulation. M1. Yeah, no manipulation. And then we left this gap, so inefficiency. Then there was this M5. Didn't tap anything. And now there is this manipulation. Oh, it's internal, so never mind. I can't long here. Okay, to cut H1, so I need to wait for M5. To cut the M5. Okay, short here. Oh damn. tap the 50%. Two legs. We can log here. Maybe we can short here as well. Well, since we took a high time frame, H4. I have to wait for M5 manipulation, which is this one. Maybe tap this PY, and then we can short. Very risky to short this momentum. We ended up not holding. This would be the whole PY. Like this. Maybe we can do something like this. I'll wait a little bit more, since this candle was not an engulfing. And to long, I can only long from here. Okay, didn't tap the POI. And this will be the confirmation entry. Manipulation was here. POI. Okay, this one is pretty bad. Oh, actually, I forgot about using the 50%. But this candle was huge. Didn't came back, so no way for me to trade there. Given engulfing. Yeah, I'll try this long. Since there's liquidity here, I'll use the end of the POI, the bottom, and my target will be here for 4R, already enough. I don't like this momentum, but let's see. Can we long? Can we short? I think I can, right? Yeah, tapped here, then tapped here. Yeah, we can short. There was no manipulation. This is internal. There was no green candles here, so no manipulation yet. I need to wait for one here. Need to break a low, then a high for an inverse. Still no trades. And here there was none. And now manipulated the 5. But this 5 is, I think it's internal. The 5 was here. and then here, then here, then it was from here to here. So this is all internal. Yeah, we're not gonna use this internal. Maybe it will break everything. Yeah, I'll just wait. Maybe long somewhere over here. Like this. No, of course I'll try to long from here. And for this long, this manipulation, there is a lot of liquidity in this leg, so I have to use my stop loss below the leg, below the bottom. Okay, no candle too long. Same thing happened here. Too short. Now another M5 internal, just like this one. So I don't wanna do this. I'll just wait for price to get out of this. We are all internal of this leg. Okay, now we are out of this. And the day is over. Kind of a weird day. Price ended up being internal. A lot of internal stuff. Okay, so we took this M5. We tried this short. Ended up not working. But this was H1 efficiency. This was the extreme of the leg for the H1 efficiency, so we could have done like this to continue the efficiency, but ended up breaking the inducement, tapping the POI. It also gave a candle on M5, pretty nice candle. Maybe in the future I'll try to use H1 inducement with M5 candle instead of doing M5 inducement with M1 candle. You know, the same, basically the same thing, but just higher time frames. But for now I'm not doing that. So this was a stop loss. No way for me to short. Right? 1, 2, yeah. No way to short there and here. Then price broke. I needed to wait for M5, which broke. But here, maybe I could have used this candle, but this wasn't an engulfing. It was a harami. I'm trying not to use haramis because they are not that reliable. Prefer engulfing or a hammer or a shooting star. Candles like this, it's much better. Maybe with both candles. I don't know if this is a candle pattern. but maybe could have done something like this. No, this one here would be the correct target. Or maybe even here, whatever. 4.6 are not too much different. Person that are breaking this, but we respected this high. This long was very nice. 4R, safe target. Could have done even this, like 5, 4 or 5, it doesn't matter. I couldn't short here again, because there was no candle, no manipulation, because this leg was straight, so I had to see a manipulation on this side of the leg. Like on this side, you know, but there wasn't any reverse manipulation. And then here there was no candle, the manipulation was here but no candle, so no longs again. And yeah, I think that's it. The one here I couldn't do because I had to do a market execute like this. 1.46R, not enough. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's see how it did. I think it did 3R. Yeah, 3.15R. Nice, 2 trades. 50% win rate, which is awesome. 16% in the month, which is very nice. Then the month is almost over, 2 days left. So let's see how we end this month. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, God bless you, see you in the next video, bye bye.